Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to recover deleted chats on Instagram, which means if you have recently deleted a chat on Instagram and if you want to recover it back, as you can see, and no, you don't know how you're gonna do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Instagram here, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on the messenger of the Instagram, and here you can, if you delete any chats and you want to recover it, for this you have to simply click on profile. After that you have to click on three lines. In three lines you have to click on your activity here, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of download your information, and here you have to simply click on request a download, and after that you have to simply select that account you want to recover the messages, and you have to simply click on next, and after that you have to simply select the option between types of information you want to simply get download, and here you have to simply click on messages, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply you can check your email address, and you can also check your format of your data and media quality, and you can also select the data range, which means you want to get the messages from which of the range, and after that you can simply click on submit request, and your request will be submitted to Instagram team, and they will send you a copy of your information or data, and you can simply see that deleted messages from Instagram. This way you can simply recover all of your deleted messages on Instagram without any problem. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.